Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get a little better picture this time. I think we're a little bit clearer. Here we go. There you go. Get those eyes. Go on, Degrees, you too. That's right. Come on. There's plenty for everybody. I see you both chowing down. Degrees, you're too polite. You need to eat some too. Go on. Go on now. Yeah, you can get it by yourself. That's right. Get those ones that are crawling away. There's one crawling away over there. Yep. Get that guy. That's what I'm talking about. That's right. Oh, I see one crawling away. Get that guy. That girl. We want everybody to have plenty of food each time. Get that. Okay. Chowing down. Okay. So what you're everybody to see you eating. Okay, thank you. We'll continue this off camera.